Today's video topic is nurturing fine motor skills in children. Tips for development and growth. Fine motor skills are crucial for a child's overall development, as they involve the coordination of small muscles in the hands and fingers. These skills enable children to perform essential tasks such as writing, drawing, using utensils, and buttoning clothes. By fostering the development of fine motor skills, parents and caregivers can support children in their physical, cognitive, and creative growth. In this video, we will explore practical tips and activities to help your child develop their fine motor skills. 1. Play with manipulative toys. Provide your child with a variety of manipulative toys, such as building blocks, puzzles, stacking rings, or interlocking toys. These toys require precise finger movements, promote hand-eye coordination, and strengthen fine motor skills. Encourage your child to manipulate and explore these toys, allowing them to practice grasping, stacking, and assembling. 2. Engage in arts and crafts. Artistic activities offer excellent opportunities for fine motor skill development. Encourage your child to engage in drawing, coloring, painting, cutting, and pasting. Provide them with child-friendly scissors, crayons, markers, and playdough. These activities help refine hand movements, promote finger dexterity, and enhance hand-eye coordination. 3. Encourage self-care tasks. Involve your child in age-appropriate self-care tasks that require fine motor skills, such as buttoning their clothes, zipping their jackets, or tying shoelaces. Initially, they may need assistance, but gradually encourage them to practice these skills independently. These activities improve hand strength, finger coordination, and promote independence. 4. Practice manipulating small objects. Engage your child in activities that involve manipulating small objects, such as picking up small beads, sorting objects, or using tweezers to pick up cotton balls. These activities refine hand control, promote finger strength, and enhance manual dexterity. 5. Play with Play-Doh. Playing with Play-Doh is a fun and effective way to enhance fine motor skills. Encourage your child to squeeze, roll, pinch, and shape the Play-Doh using their hands and fingers. This activity strengthens hand muscles, improves finger control, and encourages creativity. 6. Support scissor skills. Introduce child-safe scissors and provide opportunities for your child to practice cutting activities. Start with cutting simple shapes or straight lines and gradually progress to more complex patterns. Monitor your child closely during scissor activities to ensure safety and offer guidance when needed. Cutting exercises enhance hand-eye coordination, bilateral coordination, and fine motor precision. 7. Fine motor games and puzzles. Engage your child in age-appropriate fine motor games and puzzles. Activities like threading beads, connecting Lego blocks, completing peg puzzles, or playing with interlocking gears promote hand strength, finger coordination, and problem-solving skills. 8. Provide tactile experiences. Expose your child to different textures and sensory materials, such as sand, rice, buttons, textured fabrics, or water play. Let them explore and manipulate these materials using their hands and fingers. Tactile experiences stimulate sensory development, enhance finger sensitivity, and support fine motor coordination. Nurturing the development of fine motor skills is vital for a child's overall growth and independence. By incorporating these tips and activities into their daily routine, parents and caregivers can support their child's fine motor skill development effectively. Remember to be patient, provide a safe and encouraging environment, and celebrate your child's progress. If you have concerns about your child's fine motor skills or notice significant delays, consider consulting a pediatrician or occupational therapist for further assessment and guidance.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.